New tonight, the Mid-Ohio Valley Health Department held a drive-through flu shot event Friday. The drive-through flu vaccine clinic took place at the Wood County Resiliency Center in Parkersburg. The public was able to drive into a bay at the Resiliency Center and receive their flu vaccine without having to leave their vehicles. Davina Moore, family nurse practitioner with the Mid-Ohio Valley Health Department, said that the health department prepared to provide 400 flu vaccines at Friday's event, with the ability to supply more if needed. Moore added that if you missed Friday's event, you can receive a vaccine at any of their locations.
We actually cover 6 counties, so that would be Wood, Wirt, Ritchie, Calhoun, Pleasants, and Rome. Now, while we're in Wood County today, we do have offices in each of those counties. So if you're not able or you're not in the Wood County area, you can always reach out to your local county and we can accommodate you in those counties as well. Now, don't let not having insurance stop you either, because we do have opportunities for those who are underinsured or uninsured. We receive some state supplied vaccines, and you could always qualify for one of those as well.
Moore added that in addition to the flu vaccines, the Mid-Ohio Valley Health Department is able to provide COVID and school-based vaccines as well.